it's Gabbie, and today I'm just going to be playing with some slime. And we have one quick thing before we get started. The first thing is that you go subscribe to Peyton Clower and Hayden Johansson because they have YouTube videos, and also give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, I guess now. So we're just gonna play it with this slime first. It is a butter slime, and it's this really pretty color. And if you hear my brother in the background, it's just because he's playing Fortnite. So, and if I look back, it's because I'm looking at him. So here it is. It's really good, and it's not sticky. If you put your hand in and pull it out, it's just a little bit sticky, and it's super stretchy. And my cat's coming over here. Hi, Oreo. So yeah, comment down below at the end of the video what your favorite slime was. So that's all for that slime. And for this, we're gonna be burying down like our slime so that we don't put it on the floor. So I think the next slime, this is a cloud slime. It's not a very good cloud slime, but it's better than some, but it's not as good as some people. But this is my second time making cloud slime with this one, so it's good for my second time. And here it is. And it's small because it kind of spilled, so that's why, if you're wondering. Probably not. Okay, so that is called an ocean slime, and it has a few glitters in it, but you can barely see them. So we have some ocean slime there. And now it's a butter slime. It has Daiso clay in it. So yeah, it has Daiso. And it's a super pretty pink color. It's a Daiso clay one. And it's super crunchy. So yeah. And it's super stretchy, and it does good slime swirls. I really like it. It's one of mine and one of my mom's favorites. As you can see, it's super buttery. Yeah. So yeah. And it has little sprinkles in it, but just a few of them. And comment down below if next video you want me to review all of my slimes. And maybe even I could maybe do a slime smoothie with every single one of my slimes. Now this next one is a super creamy butter slime with glitters in it. And it's also a pretty slime. And my cats are playing over there, if you're wondering what the noise is, or if you don't hear it. Okay, now we're gonna see the slime to click. So, let's put it over here. It's okay, it's all right. It's good for a really creamy butter slime. This is so creamy that when you stretch it, it like goes together. Let me show you guys what I mean. but it is stretchy and creamy. So hopefully this one succeeds. And also remember to comment down below your favorite slime. Now this one is also a butter slime. It's called Watermelon Dream. It has a watermelon scent. You want to smell it, guys? It smells super good. And it is also creamy, but not as creamy as the other one. And super stretchy. And I'm gonna try to make a really tiny bubble here. Okay, let's do it again. Oh. This is a small surface. Got a little on my clothes. It's a small work surface, so it's kind of hard, but let's see if it can click. These ones are better than the other ones. Let's see if it can do a slime swirl. And I think maybe in tomorrow's or Saturday's video, I can do like a slime haul where I'll buy some slimes and then I'll review them, and at the end, everyone that did not pass will get mixed into a bad smoothie. Now I'm gonna do that slime swirl one more time because y'all didn't get a close look up, but this slime is not very good at slime swirls because of the texture, but I guess it works. So yeah. And I have one more slime to show you. Well, it's not a slime, it's a clay. I'm gonna show you two more things, but these ones I didn't make, but they are still very good. And I'll tell you where you can get them if you want to get them. So this one is a little cloud slime. Well, it's not really little, and there's a charm right there. So, it's charm.
Magic Learner's gonna die. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't really like mixing in my charms because I feel like it's gonna get stuck in the slime, and I don't want slime all over my charms. So I'm really picky about stuff like that.
Yeah, do it again. Yeah, leave it.
So it's kind of sticking, but I got this off of Amazon. So if you look up cloud slime, it might come up. You could look up pineapple slime, cloud slime, and it might come up. But look at this stretch. Like, oops. It is stretchy. The way it stretches is just so neat. So, yeah, and when you stretch it and let it go down, it like is puffy, and then when you squeeze it, it like goes in, and it's super neat. So that one's super cool. Now this next thing, it's a clay. If y'all don't know what it is, it's called Daiso or Daiso clay. It's super neat and it's super soft. That's the clay that I use to put in this big slime and also this slime that I showed you guys. So yeah, let's get on with the clay. So here it is, super soft. And when I squeeze it, and you can also get this one off of Amazon. You can just look up Daiso or whatever clay, and it'll come up. I got the white and the pink one, but I'm just gonna play with the pink one because I used the white one already. It's super soft, and I very high recommend you getting this because if you put it in your slimes, it makes it so wonderful and super soft and so stretchy. So yeah. Now guys, we're getting to the end of the video, so hopefully you enjoyed and remember what to do. Now, I used to say this a lot when I used to do stuff. I would say, remember to, forgot. I would say some sayings, but comment down below what name of family we should have if you're subscribed, and make sure to press that bell so that you get notified every time I upload, and I'm going to be figuring out what days I upload, so try to comment down below. But I still go to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but I can still upload. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!